Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 87 SR5 Toyota pickup and this is by the brand called Cartoon. So this is from their series, from the series 6. So we do have this many cars in the series. Okay, looks like every series actually has 8 cars on it. Where's the previous one? Yeah, it has 8 cars in the previous set also. So we have only this one in the set. Even this is really hard to get, to be honest. uh, I do like everything in this. I do. Okay, let me point this out. So if you guys remember in the last video, I told you guys, and I have the um, that Chevy Bel Air in 1:18. So I told you guys, and I do have this Pontiac GTO Judge in 1:18 scale. So this one looks really cool in that 1:18 scale. I really wanted to have this in this size. I mean, I didn't get it. I was not able to get it. I didn't even know this existed. So okay, so with that said, let's just unbox this. So I think I can just open it like this. Yeah, this is really easy. Okay, that actually closes. I was not expecting that. Okay, so let's talk about the casting now. So out of the box, I don't know if it is a paint issue. I know this is my fingerprint, but I don't know what is this. Okay, that does look like a paint issue, but let's come back to that. So the color on this one looks really good. It does have some scratches here. It's a blister pack. I don't know why these guys are doing blister pack, because literally every brand suffers from that scratches. It does have paint, rash here. I don't know. Yeah, it does. It is a rash. It is a paint rash. Wow. Okay. So in the front we have the grill details and the headlight details. Headlights are actually chromed out. It is, and only the indicators and fog lamps are painted. And on the rear, it doesn't have any details at all, and it just shows here cartoon how how we roll, me, you, all these things. I don't know. Okay, you can remove this. I was not expecting that, and this is, I don't know if you can remove this totally. It comes till this way here. Maybe not, I guess. Okay, let me. Okay, this is actually metal. This is not plastic. It just sits on top of it like this, but it does lock really well. But if you just put it upside down, it stays. I think it is a magnet if I'm not wrong. Okay, it doesn't have any magnet either, but still it actually locks really well, like a magnet. Okay, now it falls down. Okay, so let me put some light now. We'll talk about it. So the wheels are actually, the rims are plastic, the tires are rubber, and the paint job, actually the paint job looks really good, and it does glitter just like the Bel Air did. I mean, this glitter is absolutely beautiful. My only gripe is, it does have some scratches, at least mine has. So you can see the paint issue here, the hood. That is the only thing that is disappointing me now. So it has some paint bubble here. I was not expecting that, to be honest. Okay, the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic. So this piece here, the connecting piece here, this is actually plastic. This is not metal. You can feel the sound here. But I really love the paint job on this one. I really wish I got one which is not really damaged. Okay, so with that said, let's weigh this casting now. Okay, this is 52 grams, not bad at all. Wow, honestly these guys are weighing so much for the size. Okay, let's roll this. Yeah, he even this guy even rolls better in my opinion. The only reason it is getting stuck is because of the track, and this sides are getting rammed with the tracks, but it rolls really good. I am really sorry about the noise, guys. Let me pause. Okay, I'm back. So let's rate this casting now. So like I mentioned, with this particular brand, oh my god, not again. Okay, with this brand we are just going to go with the exterior alone, but even with the exterior on this one it has some paint chipping issues here, a lot of scratches here, and it doesn't have any painted headlights here, so I'm just taking like 1 for all this. And it doesn't have tail light details, so I'm taking 0.5 for, so 1.5 I'm taking out of 10, so 8.5 out of 10 for this casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.